In front of me is Fairphone 5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to access Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down to click on Vibration and Haptics and use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. When you finished, go back, scroll down, and click on those two switchers next to Charging Sound and Vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!